I'm Melanie Kate, and today I am going to unbox this Dyson Airwrap complete the whole complete set. I thought I would treat myself because it's nice to treat yourself. I've wanted this for a long while, and with the help of my own Instagram and my Instagram for Melanie Kate, which is Melanie_Kate official if you want to follow it. A lot of yays to saying yes, it's worth the money, so I've gone and got it. As you can tell, my hair is just chucked up in a bun at the moment because it looks a complete and utter mess, and I thought I would do a first impressions, like what I think of it at first. Maybe I'll do it again in a couple of months, a year's time, and see if I'm still loving it, if I love it or whatever. But before I unbox this and share it all with you, if you haven't already subscribed, push that notification bell and give it a big thumbs up. I'm super excited for this. If you are a regular, then you know my hair is fairly long, but my hair is naturally curly. And I don't like my natural hair, like my natural texture, is that right? I don't like my natural hair. I straighten it all the time, or if I don't, it's up, hence why it's like this, because I had plaits in yesterday. But it is hair wash day, so I'm just going to try it out, and this is meant to really be helpful, and I'm hoping it'll even be able to give me the good curls that the hairdresser can give me, or does for me, so we'll see. But yeah, let's open this bad boy. To be fair, actually, it's not all here. So I have got a parcel at the thing. Also, I got this off of Dyson, which it came next day, but I ordered it on Sunday. But it would be next day delivery, but it's out of stock now, but I only ordered it Sunday and it's now Tuesday. So you have to get it fast. And it came with a free brush, a free comb and a free travel kit. And by the looks of it, that's not here. So that is what must have come Royal Mail, but never arrived. And I wanted to go for the navy blue, and I could have gone for the navy blue and like coppery gold, but I went for the silver and pink because it just goes in my bedroom a bit more. That says Dyson in the middle. It's clear as anything on my camera. It's clear as anything for me, but the stupid camera won't pick it up. Look, you can see it now. Let's open it. Ta-da! Okay. So it's just got that. And then it's like how to curl your hair with the air. You can watch a clip. That's really handy actually to watch, I have to admit. Oh, I'm so excited for this. It's just ridiculous how excited I am, but I am. Okay, so you've got the like mini hairdryer bit, the curling adapters, the bigger brush and the other brush. They're the same, are they? Oh, the pink ones are slightly smaller, but I have got like 10,000 bits of hair, so the actual wand, like the wrap, I will take that off. This is really hard to do with, hang on, I'll be back. The actual thing, and then the, oh look, it really goes with my nail colour. The brush, the rounded brush. I'm so excited for this. What else have I got? I've got my instructions, and then the plug will be in this bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go jump in the shower now. It's 4:10, jump in the shower and then I'll be back. I'll just do probably a little bit of a montage and see what I'm going to do. Probably just straighten it because I don't want it too fancy for work. If someone calls me or whatever and then just be like, oh, where have you been? And I've just been like, I just got a Dyson. So we'll see. But I do want to do like the bouncy blow dry kind of thing, what my hairdresser would do for me. Because I'd love to be able to do that because it just looks so nice in my hair, which is what my profile picture is. Basically, that's kind of the thing that I would love to do. But for now, we might do that, and then maybe at the weekend we'll do a bouncy blow dry or something. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go get in the shower now and be back in my pajamas in 2 seconds for you, but probably like 30 minutes for me. So I'm out of the shower. It's probably been about 20 minutes whilst I've been out the shower, maybe about 10. And I'm just going to quickly roughly dry it because it's probably wetter than I need. So I'm just going to use this attachment. Again, this is the first time using it. I have brushed my hair out and I have put in some heat protectant spray, ready to go. It's going to take some time to get used to, I can guarantee you that. I have just used the curling, like this brush, but I just need, it looks fine, like it's dried with that little bit of like curl at the bottom, but I just need to get used to it. So I'm just going to give this one a go, which is the smoothing brush, which I'm sure is the smoothing brush. That is like what it would be if I straightened it, like that's how straight it's got, and it is really smooth with this one. Whether that is the right one to use, I need to look at the information pack, but I'm pretty sure it is. This is the soft and the other one is the firmer one, but this is working on my hair, but my hair is quite long, as you can tell. It's like just below chest level, so it's just below my bra line, I would say. And this is working really well on me, but it says for long hair use the other one, but I'm going to stick with this one for now. I'm going to do my whole head of hair like this, and then I will be back with and I'll try my very best to give one bit of hair a curl and a bounce. Also, I need to do my fringe, and that's probably going to need the barrel, so you can probably see that bit as well. But there's no point in you seeing me do all my hair like this because it will bore you and it'll be about 100 hours long. Okay, that took literally, well, it took about 15 minutes, so it would be the time that I would just straighten my hair. And if I just put a bit of finishing, like, not finishing spray, but you know, if I put a bit of heat protectant on it again, it would be perfect. I just want to do my fringe now, which I'm going to try swap out. So I just did it all with this, all just brushed through, drying it, literally easy as, and then I went over the top layer with the cool, I went over with the cold one to set it, and it is fairly good. I think once I've done the fringe that will be a bit better, but it is decent. I can't wait to learn how to do the others properly, but let's switch this out and try and work it out. Okay, I'm gonna go this way because, well, that's my fringe, and I'm gonna roll it up. Maybe I would be better with the actual oh my god, do you remember when you used to wear your hair like that? maybe I'd be better with the other one, the curling one, but we are going to go with this anyway. Oh my god, I might just do my whole head of hair in curls right now. Obviously this is just the bottom layer, but I want my hair straightened for work tomorrow. I don't really want it curly, though I did, but I don't know what to do. But I'm gonna give it another go when I wash my hair on Thursday, and we'll see like the final outcome then. Maybe I'll curl it more then, unless I can't get it back straight now. It's the next day now. Ignore that my cardigan's over there in the heater, but you can see like I've done nothing to my hair this morning, and normally if I just blow dry, or like anyone blow dried it, it would probably go a bit crazy, but it's worked and has left my hair pretty decent. Anyway, when I ordered from Dyson, there was an offer on. Obviously right now Dyson are out of stock of these, but when I ordered they had got an offer on that you brought that, you got the comb, the brush and the travel case for free. So these are just weird enough as well, they came by Royal Mail and not with DPD yesterday. But here we go. Oh, this is a weird comb. The comb. I'm hoping this will fit in that box, but I'm not sure. The hairbrush. Now, I have to use a special brush on my hair, the detangler, but maybe it will work. Come on. Fancy, fancy. Love it. I mean, it goes through my hair now, but when it's wet, it could be a completely different story. And then this is the travel case. Which just holds it all in it. Which I'll leave actually in its case, because obviously I'm not travelling anywhere right now. But even just to go to like a wedding or something, you know, just to put it in there to go to my mum's to do my, if I'm doing my hair before going out to a wedding or whatnot, that's handy to have. So that one will be that, but the other two I hope fit in my box. So yeah, it's just weird that they came by Royal Mail and not DPD with the actual thing, but there we go, they're here now. So I am back. I have just quickly rough dried it so it is more drier. It's drier than it was, that's for sure. And today I'm going out. Look at these wild bangs. So I'm going to curl it. I'm going to do my grandma's hair. I'm going to do my grandma's nails, and then we're going out for lunch. So I'm going to curl it. So this is my first time curling it. I did just use the dryer bit again. But I have to say that I used the brush on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday or Wednesday. Tuesday. I used it Tuesday, and I didn't have to straighten my hair or anything until Friday. Yeah, Friday I just washed it again and just dried it because I needed it. It needed doing, but I didn't want to like curl it or anything because I was just doing the cleaning, and I knew I wanted to do this today. So let's go with this. And also I found the clip that I was looking for the other day. So sorry, my camera ran out of film, but like storage, you know, on the thing. Anyway, let's do this. Let's hope I do it right this time. It looked, when I just did the 2 strands last time, it looked amazing, but knowing me, I could do it wrong, because I can kind of do it wrong all the time. Okay, I'll be back once I've done this top layer and I'll show you. I'll probably come back just for the curtain bangs. This is why I don't wear my hair curly, because from the mirror I look like a flipping cocker spaniel. I told the hairdresser that once and she laughed her head off, but to me this is what a cocker spaniel looks like. But obviously I need to like brush the curls out a bit, but I want to do the fringe, the curtains. Okay, so then I'm just going, you can, let me just draw these for the word. Here's my cocker spaniel look. You can see the curls are curly. So I'm just going to just run my fingers through them. I need hairspray, but I need to find it. And there we go. One curly cocker spaniel look. No, I like it now. Now it's brushed out, it's a bit better. Let me just check the back. And there we go. There is how to use the Dyson. I'm off to my grandma's now to do her nails and then out for lunch, but I think that the cut, I can 100% say once I've got used to it a bit more, it's going to be amazing, more so than it is already. I really wish that we didn't cut the curtains back in, like they were super long, and I wish we'd kept them that long now, but I just need to get used to them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I can't wait to use this a bit more in the future. On myself, obviously I use it all the time now. So I know that my mum wants to try it. My niece loves curls, so she'll probably want to curl her hair, or I'll curl it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big, I really feel like you can't see the curls until I come up close. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Well worth buying. If you've got some money, invest in one. Not gonna lie, it's so good. I can't wait to try out more styles, and I'll see you back with another video soon. I'm not posting Saturday this week because Zara let me down and didn't deliver me my parcels, so watch for that to come next week. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.